I'm a liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my.
Hello, welcome back again. My name is Katia Valino. Please, if this is your first time, consider subscribing and becoming part of this channel. Today I just want to quickly run by you and show you an amazing aphrodisiac that you too can use to maintain your stamina, and we will be using only 3 ingredients. So the first thing we'll be using is coconut water. I don't live in the tropics, so I am not able to get fresh coconut, so make sure you are buying an amazing, yes, I recommend this brand, Grace. This is Grace coconut. I think it's from the islands, from the Caribbean or from the Jamaica, and this has no added sugar. It says no added sugar. So if you're able to pick up yourself a baby brand new coconut from the tropics, awesome, that's better than using this, but I'm just going to use this because this is what I have. The next thing we'll be using is fresh ginger juice. You can just skin out the back of the ginger, wash it properly, and juice your ginger. So we're using fresh ginger, and we will be using fresh aloe vera. This aloe vera has been soaked in water for the past 20 minutes so that it's easier for us to cut down the gel. If you're able to soak it in the water, when you're cutting the gel, it doesn't it takes away the sliminess, so you're able to really cut out the gel of the aloe vera. So I am starting with taking out the skin of the aloe vera. This way is easier, and then you're going to slice it this way. This is the best way for you to scoop out the gel of the aloe vera. We are not going to be blending the aloe vera. After you have sliced that, then it's easier for you to take out the gel in this format. Yeah, take them out slowly and put them in a glass. So this is the best way to take out the gel. So after putting it in a mug, the next thing you want to do is to pour in your coconut water. This is fresh coconut water. You want to add coconut water. Helps to maintain hydration, gives you extra energy and extra power with a lot of antioxidants. So you have added coconut water. The next thing you want to do is fresh ginger. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger into this water, and you're gonna mix it around. I love ginger, so I'm going to be adding a little bit more, so you can add ginger to taste. And you have your aloe vera ginger coconut aphrodisiac drink. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sharing. This is awesome, this is beautiful, and it's good to drink it cool. When you drink your coconut water cool, you get everything. Gets you ready and sets you up for the mood. So thank you guys, and enjoy the drink. Bye.
Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special original, pumping on me high grade.